Olikyo Getembe hase wizara y'obachano Mary Muthoni igatarire bunge ya West Mugirango asokuru samagacho ye hostel ase skuru ye kwegeri obonyagitari ya Nyamira KMTC ekyo kigendete kwagachwa ekyo kirikira kikubugulia borokiwa kimisano emirongo 3 negento omurobero yo obwamagendera sokwene kibuna aborokiwa bonkonyora bare obukoreri buya okwana nabarali korwa se skuru eyo nigoboigo harokana kwegerera serikali irabisi hasenjira egendete gwikirani amagendro asubi government buna wagachibechi hostel cyo negati amagendro hali serikali yabetege kulikira muri kitofati gadi gisemba no rubutirwa senjira yo gwikirano
Oyo no muriki obutambe aze wizara y'obachenu Mary Muthoni oyo tarira eskuru ya Nyamira KMTC asokoro tuta amagenderero y'obwagachi bw'eki hostel ase eskuru eyo ase omusiko yo airachinga kecho na gukwanira omoroberio bwe serikali enene ase okweneke buna chiskuru cha KMTC imeyense nchibwate amagacho amaya.
Our KMTC students to have problems when they get to facilities, good facilities for learning. We have the skills lab, but we do not have accommodation for them. Again, that sense of mental, comfort is very, very important for any student who is in school. So we are happy that KMTC is going to enjoy the new hostels, and especially here in Nyamira County. This is one of the flagship projects that His Excellency William Samoei Ruto has started in this country. Infrastructure. We want to say that professionalism in the Ministry of Health is very key. We want to come out with students who are skilled so that they are able to provide the highest level of services in our facilities.
Ase etare yo yaye igoboigo yaikiraunwa no mubunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mugaka oyo ensemo yaye osingirira buna inse yoburai bwaye nigo aragenderere gusukuma serikali eregeti elio kweneke buna amagenderero achire ase ebunge eyo.
Really are focused that West Mugirango being on the first lane, we must be the first beneficiary in everything that the government is bringing as a program. As you're aware, this hostel will house 580 students, and we are now prepared to lobby government and Madam PS. When you see that, kindly receive it favorably, because we want a modern tuition and administration block for this college.
Nonye nabo nigo Mosque Mary Muthoni arorekana kogokiwa enchira omubunge Stephen Mugaka abeirega kurwanirira abantu baye anene ase amagenderero.
Nyamira people umebarikiwa sana sana.
Shukrani.
And here Mheshimiwa, very hard working Mheshimiwa. I don't think this would have happened if we did not have the coordination between my state department and the member of parliament for this area, and of course His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. So I want to thank Parliament for allocating funds for this particular project so that we can see it to fruition.
Chingaki echecho nigo akwanira obokomu obwo bwetanaine aborokiwa ba KMTC anene asogotanyora chibesa kiria cha help na nigo arireira yogo cha gusuguma obokomu obwo ase bunge enene elio ababunge bonzi babusonsore.
I have been told by the CEO of KMTC that we have a challenge with our students learning at KMTC such that they do not benefit from HELP, the Higher Education Loan Board funding. So that notwithstanding the bursary support we are giving to our learners, the colleges are not able to sustain the students who are not able to pay the balance of their fees. I will be taking that up with the Ministry of Education through my colleagues in Parliament so that we stop discrimination of any learner in any tertiary institution, particularly the KMTC.
Ingo ripotera Getembe koroigase skuru ya Nyamira KMTC eye gutuka imeye ward ya township bunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira. Jeff Atgad Hisemba.